Chapter 47. Health is Wealth. Effective people are not problem-minded. They are opportunity-minded. They feed opportunities and starve problems. A school head was alerted by the caretaker to a persistent problem in the girls' lavatories. Some of the girl students were leaving lipstick kisses on the mirrors. The caretaker had left notices on the toilet walls asking for the practice to cease, but to no avail. Every evening, the caretaker would wipe away the kisses, and the next day lots more kisses would be planted on the mirror. It had become a bit of a game. The head teacher usually took a creative approach to problem solving, and so the next day she asked a few girl representatives from each class to meet with her in the lavatory. "Thank you for coming," said the head. "You will see there are several lipstick kisses in the mirrors in this washroom." Some of the girls grinned at each other. As you will understand, modern lipstick is cleverly designed to stay on the lips, and so the lipstick is not easy at all to clean from the mirrors. We have therefore had to develop a special cleaning regime, and my hope is that when you see the effort involved, you will help spread the word that we'd all be better off if those responsible for the kisses use tissue paper instead of the mirrors in future. At this point, the caretaker stepped forward with a sponge, squeegeeing it into one of the toilet cubicles, dipped it into the toilet bowl, and then used it to clean one of the lipstick-covered mirrors. The caretaker smiled. The girls departed, and there were no more lipstick kisses on the mirrors. Wow! Who will like to taste or drink toilet water? Even though the girls were naughty, they still cared about their health enough to stop when the news spread. I have spoken on health matters severally at different points in this book and just felt I should dedicate a whole chapter to it alone to really drive home the importance of being healthy and health-conscious. You need good health to make money. You need good health to manage money. You need good health to multiply money. You need good health to succeed at entrepreneurship. You need good health to enjoy the money. You need good health to become significant, etc. Bad health and sickness can wipe you out financially. I have seen people sell houses just to pay for a kidney they needed. I have seen people go bankrupt nursing a sickness that refused to go. And I know of people that spend a huge amount of money annually just to stay alive. Don't be a victim. Rest well. Sleep well. Eat well. Take lots of water. Take lots of fruits. Exercise regularly. Be very health conscious. I am not a health expert, so I may not go deep into health issues, but please take your health serious, because if you get all the money in this world and end up with bad health, you may end up losing all the money trying to get your health back, and that will be bad. Bodily exercise profits you. Walking, jogging, running, cycling, house chores, workout, skipping, aerobics, recreation, sports, etc. are all different forms and degree of exercises you can explore, and all you need is to make sure you do it frequently, you do it with great intensity, you do it for a good duration of time and not just few minutes, you do it continually as a lifestyle and a culture. When your exercising has frequency, intensity, duration, and continuity, there are benefits. It shapes you. It strengthens you. It removes bad fat. It helps you grow and glow. It helps improve stamina. It improves endurance. It reduces anxiety and depression. It improves immunity. It helps you save money that sickness should take. It balances your hormones. Bodily exercise. Prevention is better than cure, and nobody needs to die before their time. I want to once again advise that a regular medical checkup become part of your culture and lifestyle, especially if you are 40 and above. You don't have to be sick to see a doctor. You can schedule an appointment with a doctor just for regular checkup. There have been cases of people that should have died, but a regular checkup saved them because a danger was discovered before it became life-threatening. Don't joke with any sign or symptom you feel and don't understand, because in my years of leading people, I have seen people die that needed not to die.